Good morning, gorgeous. Before you fix your hair, check that cell phone or carry everybody else's day on your back. Stop for 1 second. Look at your face. Look into your eyes. You've been through so much that no one even knows about. And yet, you're still here. You're still showing up and making a way. You may be tired. You may be healing. You may not even feel like gorgeous today. But guess what? You don't have to feel it to speak it. So tell yourself, good morning, gorgeous. I see you. I'm proud of you. And we're still in this. Hair fixed or wrapped, barefaced or glammed up. You're worthy of love, respect, and a soft start of your day. So take a deep breath, pick your chin up, and step into your day like the woman who remembers the woman she is. Good morning, gorgeous. I see you.